how to share your screen in Zoom meetings on laptop. First, open Zoom on your laptop and click the New Meeting button. Once you are inside the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar and click Share button. A new window will appear where you can choose what you want to share. You can share your entire screen, or you can select a specific window or application only. If you also want people to hear the audio from your PC, make sure to enable the share sound option before clicking share.
Omni. Now you can use this model right in your Gemini application, and in this video I'm going to show you how.
And that's it. Your screen is now being shared in the Zoom meeting. I hope that was helpful, and I will see you guys in the next video.